Hi ma'am, Capex Beauty da amuhana welcome tawzari. Ngasigi video se aigi channel sida yam toina request torakpa hair care gi matang da semjaba video ne. Ahanbagi oina ay sam maintain tawbase yam extravagant oiba routine kemta tawba legjate. Aduga ay ngasi share tawzari ba product sing se aigi normal day to day life ta sizinajaba product sing dune. अहानबगी ओइना आइना शेयर तौजरीबा प्रोडक्ट से हेयर ऑयल ने आइगी वाखलदा हेयर ऑयल अमा था अमदा 1 or 2 times सिजनबसे अखोगी नेचुरल समगी नेचुरल ऑयल सिंगदो अदुदो रिप्लेनिश तौबा अदुगा मेंटेन तौबदा हेल्प तौवेना खले अदुगा ngasi आइगी प्रोडक्ट से पैराशूट की एडवांस हॉट ऑयल दुने Sigi hair oil se kanagumba kharanadi nungdang chupa ama thame but aigi wakhaldadi that is perhaps not the right way so yamabada pung ama muk thamba loiraga adum thadokpiyo so aidi sigi hair oil se tairabu matungda maybe after 1 hour I wash it off Sigi parachute ki advanced hot oil se normal parachute coconut oil do adudagi di kitang light oibane aduga sigi se pleasant oiba manam amasu yawe so I really like this Next aina share tawzariba products sing se shampoos ne aduga aigi ngasi shampoo se a hair concern ama ani gi matung inna shampoo ani hum sizinaye ahan ba aigi shampoo se kaya gi anti dandruff shampoo dune sigi kaya gi anti dandruff shampoo se atopa anti dandruff shampoo gi type sa koi gi sam se am dry oibedo adudo sung taw de so I like this over others Aduga aigi wakhaldadi anti dandruff shampoo ama hapase maybe not every single time we wash our hair but regular intervals da hapase akoigi samdo even if dandruff laitrasu it keeps dandruff away Next aigi shampoo se biotic ki bio walnut bark tune si shampoo se sam ken bado fight tawnabane aduga aina ngasibo sizinnarakpa anti hair fall shampoo mayam gi marakta I think this is very affordable and it works very well but sigi product say sizinara matungda either hair serum natraga hair conditioner tawba amadi darkar laye because it makes the hair a little dry but other than that sigi shampoo say I think this is a very good shampoo for hair fall Next aigi shampoo se Dove ki environmental defense tune sigi particular shampoo se I have used it for a long time I really like it akoi ki samja yam soft ohele aduga dry oibisu ohende aduga shiny so dum ohele and then sigi shampoo sigi best part se pollution ki effect to aduga gi defense man pibang amme so I really like this aduga sigi shampoo se to an extent hair fall so adum manage to bangamme So this is a very nice shampoo for everyday use. Next aigi shampoo se another Dove shampoo ne aduga sigi sina rejuvenated volume dune. Sigi shampoo se I've used it for like 1 year and I really like this haidi akoi gi samsida fazana volume piye aduga bouncy oiba aduga yam healthy oiba look to adudo piye. So this is a very good shampoo if you want volume if you want thickness aduga yam healthy oiba sam do aduda pam taragadi sigi Dove ki rejuvenated volume se I really like this and I would definitely recommend Next aigi shampoo se OGX ki Brazilian keratin therapy dune sigi shampoo se it's a little expensive but this is one of the best shampoos that I've ever used seasonable am nungai aduga it has this wonderful coconut smell haidi manamdo nambaka na chaklambagi manamdo adudo pi it smells wonderful akoi gi samse yam soft ohele healthy ohele adu strong zo ohele yengba kanda it gives a very shiny appearance aigi wakhaldadi sigi OGX ki Brazilian keratin therapy gi shampoo se healthy hair ama maintain to bada it helps a lot Sigi shampoo se unlike the other ones mentioned before sulfate free ne aduna this is a bonus Next hair care routine na maru or is a conditioner ne aduga honestly aigi wakhaldadi any conditioner which suits your hair type or your hair concern natraga seasonariba shampoo do aduga accompany tawriba conditioner do aduduna it's more than enough Personally I the conditioner seasonable say I don't use it every time I wash my hair but sigi Dove ki hair fall rescue ki conditioner se, this is one of my favorites. But if you have very dry hair or if you have troubled hair or natraga sam yam punba oi taragadi conditioner ama sizinaba se, I think it would be the right one for you. Next aina share tawzariba product se hair mask ne, aduga aigi ngasigi products ina Schwarzkopf ki spa essence to adudane. Hair spa tawse steam tawba natraga hot towel amana khoi gi samse cover tawraga tawnab. But normal day to day life tadi I don't have the time for all that, so aina kamaina use tawge habakana I wash my hair aduga aigi samno damp oringaida before conditioner I use a hair spa. Just some gi length to the roots study apply taude aduga I wait for 5 minutes aduga I wash it off. Sigi Schwarzkopf ki hair spa se I really like it. Hadisi se seasoner bakanda it makes the hair really soft, it looks really healthy aduga yam shiny appearance ama pie aduga akhoi gi sampunba natraga sam weak oibado aduga split ends kumbado. I think sigi hair spa se it keeps them at bay. If you have dry hair natraga samdo yam tekanbo oi taragadi maybe you can apply a conditioner after this. Next aina share tawzariba product se hair serum ne, aduga ngasigi serum sina Siri Expert Liss Unlimited to ne. Sigi serum se over time akhoi gi samje shiny ohenba aduta natana mas strong ohele aduga sampun basu kemta lehende. And one of the best thing about sigi serum se kaigumba if you are using a lot of curling iron or straightening, this serum will help protect your hair. Magi se yarba ingredient primrose oil se it helps the hair keep very healthy. So hair serum se damp over hair after wash you can apply it, just a little will enough aduga sigi bottle se it will last you a long time. Ngasi gidi sida loshinjarage. I hope you all liked the video. Channel sibu support tawbiro, comment tawbiro, like tawbiro, aduga subscribe su tawbiro. Thank you. Bye.